The history of Valentine's Day. Every February 14th, the United States celebrates Valentine's Day. From cupids to chocolate hearts, flowers to cards, this holiday is a time to celebrate the ones we love. But where does this celebration come from? Who was Saint Valentine? It is not clear who Saint Valentine was. There are three possible people who could be the origin of this holiday's name. All of the legends come out of Rome. The first possible man called Valentine was someone who performed marriages for young couples. This was a long time ago in ancient Rome. The emperor at that time did not want soldiers to get married, and he was mad at Valentine for helping people get married. Another legend says that it was Saint Valentine of Turini. This Valentine was an important person in the church and also made the Roman emperor angry. He was killed on February 14th, 273 CE. Finally, there was Saint Valentine who helped Christians escape prison in Rome. He got caught and also ended up in prison where he was said to have written love cards. He signed these cards, "From your Valentine." Valentine was a popular name in ancient times, so it is hard to tell which Valentine is being celebrated. Some people think it is a combination of all three. Some people think that maybe this was all just one man instead of three different men. Because it was so long ago, some information has been lost with time. What we do know is that Pope Gelasius I made Valentine's Day a holiday in 496 CE to replace an ancient Roman holiday called Lupercalia. Lupercalia. Before Valentine's Day became a holiday, there was another celebration that took place on February 14th. Long ago, legend has it that the people who first made Rome were twins that were raised by a wolf. While this is probably not true, it was a popular legend in ancient Rome. They celebrated the wolf during a holiday called Lupercalia. During this celebration, the colors red and white were popular. This seems to have carried over into our modern celebration of Valentine's Day. They also had a big feast, which is where they ate lots of food. Over time, this holiday also became known as a day to celebrate love. When Pope Gelasius I made Valentine's Day, many of the symbols from Lupercalia carried over into this holiday. Valentine's Day today. Whatever the origin, Valentine's Day now celebrates love. People write cards, which are called valentines. They might even write a card in secret and sign it "Your Valentine." We also give flowers, chocolate, and candies. Hearts and cupids are popular symbols for this holiday. Valentine's Day has become a day to celebrate all those you care about. Happy Valentine's Day! Please like, comment, and subscribe if you would like more videos like this. Teachers and parents, in the description there is a link for a free resource that goes along with this video if you would like your students to learn more about the history of Valentine's Day. Thank you so much for supporting this channel. I'll see you next time.